The question I will answer is, how do you want this particular position here with our customer service department? I have really had experience before that have helped me deal with people of different age, different gender, different personalities, among others. This has made me grow in particular desire to meet people, enter into a dialogue and to note that we want and where I can gain them. Besides that, I have some characteristics that I know will help me in this work. Among there are that I am keen, I like to smell, I like to listen of others. I know that I experience confidence. I know that I can contribute a lot to others. In the same way, I know that working here in particular will support my personal growth in the exponential way, and that will sure help me to continue advance that decision to continue my development and my decisions to continue knowing myself will grow in me. In the same way, to be able to find new talents I am willing to place at your service. Thank you.